Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my wellness layout, which is the classic size happy planner. I'm going to be using Fairyland. These are some new stickers that have recently released in my shop. Also going to be using the colorful boxes that match called Enchanting. And I'm going to be using my new self-care stickers. So I think I'm going to use Freedom Over Fear and Believe in Yourself. No, Everything Will Be Okay. Those are the two I want to use. So I'm also going to be using some of my new trackers in my self-care line. So I'm going to be using habit trackers and mood trackers. But first, let me go ahead and show you the current week. Look at my pretty Notique cover and how well it matches with my self-care journal cover. So pretty. This cover, as well as the stickers that I'm using, are available in my shop. Sorry guys, my microphone died on me and I didn't realize it. So what I was saying was, you can use the code SUMMER15, so SUMMER and the number 1 and 5 in all capital letters at checkout to save 15% off your entire purchase. That's everything in my shop, not just stickers. And any order automatically over $25 gets free shipping. So the free shipping is going to save you $6 automatically. There's no code needed. And so, funny story, what I'm actually showing in this clip is I'm talking about my steps trackers and how I really did not use my steps trackers for the current week because I don't wear my watch whenever I'm working. I do wear it in my camera or in my filming, so that's why I took my watch off and showed you, because I actually have a little tan line going on with my watch, so I try to cover that up in my videos. But yeah, anyway, so I don't use my steps trackers and I don't really plan on using them this week. So because of the microphone blunder and my bad on the sound, I'm going to go ahead and just speed up this video and play some kind of background music. So you guys just sit back, enjoy the music, and let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video despite the technical errors. I promise on my next video my microphone will be charged. It is charging now. So I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye y'all.